Feeding your cat. How to feed your cat. Well, it's not actually my cat, but you get it. Rub off the camera. I got my rub off the camera. Right. To feed a cat, you must get food because cats only want to eat your food. Cat food. Gonna put this the other way around because we're not sponsored by anything. You will eat like a civilized cat. And Doggo is barking, so I must let Doggo in. Hey! Sit. You'll get your breakfast now. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Wait. Now just put the camera facing down here. You get I think I found too much. You won't be hungry for a while. Let's get an interview with the cat. So, Binks, are you enjoying that delicious turkey with gravy, lungs, whatever it is? You better. And Mr. Biggie, enjoy your food. Me? Well, I obviously have to feed myself. Chalk balls. How to make your breakfast. Then you're gonna want to come over here. Grab a spoon. Then you're gonna want to come over here to the fridge. Grab some milk. Then what you're gonna want to do is just gonna place this down right here. I'm sure some of you have done this technique before. It is called the make your breakfast technique. I'm gonna have a lot of editing to do. Like a lot. Probably won't even post this because some faces. Oh, that sounded. How to set up a camera, get a lunchbox. This is how I'm setting up the camera. Yes. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open the cereal box. Just do this. Oh! that was meant to happen. Then you can put it back in the cupboard or whatever. Then you're going to want to grab your milk. And close the milk when you're finishing it. You're going to want to grab your spoon, put it in, take this lunchbox real quick, put it up there. Now, so when seeing as the dog is still eating his food, I may as well try to get to his water so I can empty it out and get some fresh water. You want some fresh water? Hey, sit. Be careful, Jesus. That's what will happen to you if you don't. This one has a big Logan Paul. How did I become a Logan Paul? How did I become a Logan Paul? You're a good boy. Hey, no eating my face. We've talked about this. Now, take water into that drain. You want to put on cold teep. Feel the water. Just see Dooku's tail wagging. Hey, Biggie, off the table. Don't be a bobo. Yes, sit. And you can finish off the cat food because Big's gonna eat it. Hey, sit, sit. See, when your brother doesn't, say if you're just looking after a dog and a cat, and the cat doesn't eat all his food that I actually decided to come down and get for you, well, give it to your dog because he deserves it. And because you don't want to throw it in the bin because that'd just be a waste of money. Now this video is just going to be about me playing with the dog. Look at him though, he's cute. Okay, Biggie, I think you've licked the bowl enough. Biggie, come here, boy, come here. Jesus. Yeah, drink some water, Biggie. I'm taking that bowl off of him. You eat the damn bowl.